Imagine standing on the deck of a magnificent ship, the vast ocean stretching before you. Now, imagine that dream turning into a nightmare, not once, but 3 times. This is the incredible true story of Violet Jessop, a woman whose life defied belief, a woman who danced with death and emerged victorious from the icy grip of the Atlantic 3 times. Born in 1887, Violet's early life was marked by illness. Yet she defied expectations. By her early 20s, she was a stewardess working on the grandest liners of the era. Her first brush with infamy came on April 14, 1912. She was on board the RMS Titanic, the Unsinkable ship. As the Titanic plunged into the frigid Atlantic, Violet, despite being ordered to a lifeboat to show women how to behave, bravely assisted non-English speaking passengers. She held a baby in her arms until its mother reclaimed it in the chaos. She survived, miraculously, but fate, it seemed, wasn't done with Violet. Years later, during the harrowing days of World War I, she found herself serving as a nurse aboard the hospital ship HMS Britannic, the Titanic's sister ship. On November 21, 1916, the Britannic struck a German mine in the Aegean Sea. Violet described being sucked under the ship's propellers, barely escaping with her life, suffering a severe head injury. Yet again, she endured. She survived. And then, unbelievably, there was a third time. Years before the Titanic, in 1911, Violet was working on the Olympic, another sister ship to the Titanic. During a voyage, the Olympic collided with a warship, the HMS Hawk. While the Olympic was severely damaged and 2 compartments were flooded, it managed to return to port. All passengers and crew survived, including, of course, Violet Jessop. 3 major maritime disasters, 3 incredible escapes. Violet Jessop, dubbed the Unsinkable Molly Brown of real life, continued her career at sea until her retirement in 1950. She lived to be 83, passing away peacefully in 1971. Despite her harrowing experiences, Violet Jessop never married, dedicating her life to her career at sea. She even wrote a fascinating memoir titled Titanic Survivor, though it wasn't published until decades after her death. Violet's story reminds us of the fragility of life, but more importantly, of the extraordinary strength of the human spirit. She faced unimaginable terror, yet continued to live, to work, and to embrace life. What do you think of Violet's incredible story? Let us know in the comments. Follow for more.